Hello everyone, here I would like to tell you how to do a commission-free trading on cryptocurrency and stocks with Robinhood. Robinhood is a brokerage company which founded 2013 and did over 30 billion trading and raised 176 million dollar in funding, and also now company estimated value is 1.3 billion dollar. This Robinhood is like the best app I know so far about the stock trading. The app is very easy to use. All you need to do is just download the app and sign up. This is the sign up link. I'm gonna come to the sign up part later, but the main thing is Robinhood added the new feature: zero fee cryptocurrency trading and tracking in Robinhood app. That means you can buy and sell cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and those kind of coins. You can buy and sell it on the website. It's a commission free. Cryptocurrency exchange and trading. I do it on GDAX, Binance, these places. It costs a lot of money. Like each transaction is like 1.5% or 3 to 5%. And in Robinhood, um, now the website is not. There's no web-based application. All is mobile application. You can just download the app and sign up. While you sign up, it asks you a lot of questions. That's because KYC, which is know your customer. Know your customer is the process of the business identifying and verifying the identity of its clients. We are the clients of the Robinhood. The term is also used to refer to the bank and anti-money laundering regulations, which is governs these activities. So basically, you sign up and they will ask you a bunch of questions about your address and all of the personal things because they want to know. After they get those informations, they will verify. After that, you'll able to use the application. After your verification is done, your screen shows up something like this. You can just choose one of them, and what you get is you will get one of the either Sprint, Ford, or Apple, one of the stocks share. For example, Apple is over $180 and Ford is something around $80 or some. Sprint is around five to $6. So you'll get one of these free stock. But main thing today I'm going to talk is like you have to get the Robinhood app as soon as possible because cryptocurrency in Robinhood hits the market in February. So that means like probably in February when you're about to sign up, it's so hard because it happened in Binance, it happened in Bittrex and also Coinbase when there's a great volume of subscription and registration, the website is crashes and stops. So just sign up and I'm going to include the referral link at the description. Sign up, you can do it on the website, but you cannot log in from the website. They will probably launch it next 2 3 months, like in March, I guess. When you click the get early access, you will be one of the nearly 1 million people in the line, and you will be notified very soon once they launch the web-based application. It'll be like early 2018. That means like first quarter of 2018. Just wait 2 3 months. But now you can use the web application. It's very very good. And another thing is cryptocurrency in Robinhood. We've been doing tradings in different platforms, and they will be charging us for either selling and buying, and also sending, withdrawing. So, but here you can buy and sell for free. So to be able to do that, you need to open the account and And also include your email here. You'll be notified once trading hits in the market. You'll get the confirmation like this. Hey, you are in the list. You are this person online. In Robinhood, for my understanding, it's very easy to use. After you sign up and also verification, you can just move your money from your bank to Robinhood instantly if it's under $1,000. And the trading is over there for free, zero commission for trading. No manual is needed. That means like it's simple, very simple, very, very simple. For example, this is going to be the stock on your phone. It's going to show if you choose one of them, you can just click buy or sell and enter the amount and done. It's that easy. And also connect these kind of banks account. You learn by doing it. It's very easy and it's trusted millions in the United States. You can click the link on the description. You will be on your phone, you will be landing something like this page. You enter the first name and last name and the email address, all the things here. And next one is basic information, and after that identity, and then funding. At the funding you can connect your bank account, or you can skip to do it later, and then submit. After the submission, it takes like 24 hours to be able to verify you. After that, they will send you a free gift. You can choose one of the free stock. It'll be either uh, Apple or Sprint or Ford. Hopefully, February 1st, we'll buy the cryptocurrency in Robinhood app. These are the cryptocurrency market. It's going up and down, up and down. So if you're interested in doing cryptocurrency exchange and trading, I'm going to make another video about how to start as a beginner, how to open an account in Coinbase, from Coinbase, how to buy and cryptocurrency, move it to the other exchanges and start your tradings. It's going to be like from basic to advanced, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And this video all about is Robinhood, and referral link is at the description. You can click and sign up. So a lot big things is coming in Robinhood, so it'll be good for everyone. I hope so. And also one important thing, please invest what you can afford to lose. I hope you guys not to lose anything and make money, because those money didn't came easy. So you worked for it, and my advice, just invest what you can afford to lose, because on the market, who knows, you'll make profit or maybe you lost. So far, the ones who invested wisely making good money. I wish best of luck to you guys all. The Robinhood app is very easy to use. You can just download and sign up. Sign up link is down below at the description. Goodbye. See you next time.